If you play games in Windows 11 and you like to run your games in Windows mode, for example, to run other applications such as Discord, uh, this may reduce your FPS in games and it will have more latency. Windows 11 have the ability to help you solve this problem and have better performance. To enable this feature, go to Start menu and from Settings, go to System, Display, and search for Graphics. Choose Change Default Graphics Settings, and as you can see, we have a feature here, optimizations for Windows games, and this will reduce latency while playing games. Turn this feature on and restart your games, and you will have a better performance in Windows mode. I should note that uh, this feature is useful when you are playing older games, such as games using DirectX 10 or 11. For newer games, this may doesn't have a great result. Thanks for watching this video.